guys, welcome back for color of the day. Today's goes to Duet Sculpting Stick in medium. So I showed you the light one yesterday, so I'm gonna show you medium. Ta-da, there's medium. We're gonna go ahead and do like, yeah. And then the other side. Whoa. Look at that. Make sure I keep that on camera. Yeah. I do not have very steady hands, as you can see. Look at that. It's like a wave on the back of my hand. But yeah, so this one is medium. Ta-da. If you're interested in your very own Duet sculpting stick, I will have the website, put that down somewhere. I will have the website in the link of, wait, what? I will have the link for the website at the bottom of the description here on YouTube. Once on the website, go to shop, select face, and scroll down to unique Duet sculpting stick. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? It is. It really is. I feel it now. I can already tell. It's gonna be one of those days. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. So sorry that I apparently have no idea. Like my mouth can't seem to keep up with my brain today. It's just not working out. It's gonna be one of those days. Anywho, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.